Hello, 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 beloveds, and happy Mother's and what I call Others Day. I wanted to get on and share a very special ritual. Hello, a ritual and candle for today. Again, I welcome and am so grateful for all the mothers, the single mothers, the working mothers, the grieving mothers, the healing mothers, all of the mothers. And many of us did not have a positive, mothering relationship. I know that I didn't. So thank you, Lady Stones. Thank you, thank you. And so I wanted to share with you a cutting the mothering cord ritual. And this is a candle that I will be burning for the rest of the week. Again, centering in that energy, not of, cutting off anyone, but cutting myself off from the energy that has created toxic experiences and behaviors and habits in my life. And I want to share that with you. It's been so profound for me to heal this. And so sharing it with you is, again, supporting your healing. So let's get into it. So I've got it all set up here. And so I've got a beautiful golden candle. You see I've got my setup here. And this, like I said, is really about healing the mothering cord. Hey, Shayna, thanks so much for tuning in. And some of us who have lost our mothers, and some of us who have no relationship with our mothers. So it's important that we talk about all these things. So this golden candle is really about healing that mothering cord. And so I wanted to share this because it is so profound. And Shayna, I know you are in grieving. You just lost your mother. And so this is also about healing that cord as well, because there is a cord. It comes through our umbilical cord, which means, it's in our navel, which goes right to our womb, right to our sacral chakra. So for ladies, this is for you. So what I've got here is my glass. Again, I always love to use glass. It amplifies. But this time I've added some pink Himalayan sea salt. Why? Again, this energy is really about healing. Salt is a purifier. Himalayan sea salt is the purest, and it's pink. Again, that loving energy. And what I do is just spread it out because I like to put the water in there, and sometimes it gets crunchy on the bottom. So I'm just going to add some fresh water. Again, creating the element of water and flow for my candle. So here is the candle. Again, this is all about, it's prosperity, it's healing, but what I've placed in it is cutting the mothering cord, and that is a golden cord. And why it's a golden cord is because many of us are connected really deeply at this cord space. And so go ahead and take a nice deep breath. And let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got some of this awesome Cut and Clear by my beautiful friend, Gypsy Womb Woman. You could see the bottle is almost gone. So I'm using this to cut and clear. So we just want to put a couple of drops right in the candle. Let's see if I can get it out there. Just a couple of drops in there. Oh, it's like it's stuck in there. All right, I gotcha. And again, to amplify the energy, I'm using some rose oil as well, 1 drop. Again, the mothering cord is not filled with hurt or hate or anything. It's actually filled with love. And then yang yang. Yang is really good for connecting that feminine energy. Now, I've never used a lot of oils and things, but I want to share with you how you can dress your candles. Cut and Clear, go to the website, please. I'm not answering questions right now. It's a Cut and Clear oil. Go to Gypsy Womb Woman. If you want questions, you can ask then. I've got my African powers burning in, my 7 African powers burning in the back. I also have my rose salts. Again, you can see my beautiful yellow roses there. So I'm just going to add a sprinkle of that to the water. Again, adding that element of the flowers, the roses really, really supports and brings this energy up. So I'm going to go ahead and light the Palo Santo. So go ahead and take a nice deep breath. I want to bless our candle, bless ourselves. I'm lighting the Palo Santo. Again, this mothering cord, go ahead and close your eyes as I begin to light this and bless us. Start with some deep breaths. And the reason I want you to close your eyes is because we're about to do our ritual. So go ahead and place your hand on your navel. your right hand or your left hand. I can only use my right hand because you've got my left hand right here. And so here we are, releasing the mothering cord, releasing the cord that has kept us bound, that has kept us small, that has kept us connected, instead of embracing our individual selves. This is not about, again, saying a mothering was wrong or anything like that. It's just you giving birth to yourself. And so as we cut this mothering cord, we release the pain that she may have given you instead of giving birth to you. All that was reflected to you now is rescinded. I cut all toxic cords you've instilled in me. I cut the cord of not feeling worthy. I cut the cord of not feeling black enough. I cut the cord of not feeling beautiful. I cut the cord of not being smart enough. I cut the cord of hate. I cut the cord of not having power. I cut the cord to my yoni. I cut the cord to my mind. I cut the cord to my spirit. I cut the cord to you. I allow myself to grow. I allow myself to flow. And I allow myself to glow. Again, just inhaling, connecting, getting that Palo Santo. We're just going to send that blessed energy up. We're just going to bless our candle. Again, just knowing that as we light ourselves up from within, we light up the space around us. We light up our wombs. We light up our brains. We light up our spirits, our hearts, our body temples. We light up our lives. No longer are we connected to toxic, hurtful, and painful experiences connected to you. I release you in all directions of time and space. I am a grown, independent woman. Blessed be as above and so below. Ashe, ashe. Let's light our candle. May the ancestors continue to light our way. May the ancestors continue to guide us. And may the ancestors continue to bless us. Thank you so much for joining me. This mothering cord is and can be quite toxic, beloved. So give yourself the gift of your time. Find yourself back to yourself. And again, this isn't saying that the relationship is all toxic. You could have a toxic cord about guilt or shame or blame, and cut that cord. Come back into yourself. Release your mother or the woman who gave birth to you from all blame and shame today, so you can really come into the fullness that is within you, sister. Cutting the mothering cord is not saying that your mother is wrong. What it is saying is that you are gaining your independence from that experience of what she may expect from you or what she may have done. This is your independence, beloved sisters. Claim it. Call it and connect to it. Happy Mother's and Others Day. I send you so much love and light. Until next time, beloved sisters, peace and blessings. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.